What is up, boys and girls? All right, we are doing something a little different today, and what I've got here is an E&L AK105, and the topic of this video today is battery fitment. So I bought two of these AKs, and I had issues with fitting stick batteries in the gun. The first battery that I fit in there was a 8-4 battery, and it was so tight that it actually ripped the plastic sheathing that comes on the battery. So what I did to rectify this issue was I took my Dremel, and what I did is with this bit here, I went in and I came in and I cleaned up this area right here on both sides. And what that allowed, now do it slowly, don't go in there and just start hammering on it and take a whole bunch of material off. Do it slowly. And what I recommend is remove the upper handguard and start getting this area fitted first. And what I mean by that is getting the battery to fit through this area before you start worrying about getting the battery to fit through the actual handguard, because that's a whole nother issue in itself. So like I said, first thing I did was I came in and I removed material off of here. So let me show you something. So this is, now initially I did call Airsoft GI where I bought these two rifles, and they told me you cannot fit a 9.6 battery in these AKs that have the upper battery position, meaning stick batteries or a LiPo battery up here. So right now I have two stick batteries. So this is a 9.6 battery here that you're seeing right now. So there is a 9.6 installed, and you have a good 3 inches remaining in the rear of the upper dust cover. Just to show you how far this battery is inserted into this rifle, as if you see here, so it was that far in there. As you can see, it went in there completely as far as it'll go. So again, very minimal force needed to get that battery in there. And of course, the 8.4. Plenty of room there. So I'm gonna remove the upper handguard. And another thing I did to ease the installation of the battery is I put a slight bevel right here on this area and this area. And as you can see on this particular handguard, it's perfectly flat, more of a 90 degree. So I put this bevel there to help with the battery when it transitions through this hole, because what happens is when you install it through here, it kind of wants to walk on you. So what I did is I put a slight bevel in there so it wants to guide into the hole, kind of like doing a bullet guide on a real firearm or a chamber. So it slides right into the lower handguard. And this is already cut from E&L. See how easy that slides in there? So on this lower handguard for my other gun, I will come in and I'll bevel this down on both sides, and you can open this up if you'd like, just to help. I mean, if you look, there is not a lot of room for that battery to slide in there, but it will. So again, I came in and I cleaned the upper area up over here, and I put a bevel to help guide it in, so when if it wants to go in there at an angle, it'll help align it for that battery to slide in there. So upper handguard is fully locked in. And again, this is a 9.6. So we'll plug this up. There we go. That's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe. Possibly in the future, we may see some more small airsoft stuff working on these guns, because I'm a habitual tinkerer and I will figure out the ins and outs of this rifle. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.